First things first, check for updates. Just like people need a checkup now and then, computers need updates too. To check for updates, go to Settings, Update and Security, and click on Check for Updates. Make sure to install any available updates, as this can help fix any performance issues. Step 2. Disable startup programs. Sometimes, there are programs that start up automatically when your computer does, slowing down your computer. To fix this, go to the Task Manager and click on the Startup tab on the left. Disable the programs from the list that are currently enabled under Status tab. These programs can slow your computer down, just like a heavy backpack slows you down when you're carrying it. Imagine your computer as a marathon runner, and we need to give it a boost of energy. To do that, head to Settings and click on Power and Battery. Change the power plan to Best Performance and watch your computer zoom through tasks like a professional athlete. Step 3. Supercharge your computer. Think of your computer as a high-performance race car. To keep it running at its best, let's adjust the power settings. Start by going to Settings, System, Display, Graphics, and turning on the Change Default Graphics settings. Next, head to the Edit Power Plan and supercharge your computer. Change the advanced power settings for the Intel Graphics Power Plan and set it to maximum performance. Under PCI Express On-Link State Power Management and set it to Off, on both on battery and plugged in. Remember, instead of Intel, you can also see AMD, but the settings would be the same. Just change it. And there you have it, folks. We've just transformed your computer from a sluggish snail to a speedy cheetah. But we're not done yet. It's time to hit the restart button and give your computer the ultimate upgrade. If your computer is still slow, you might need to check other videos linked in the description. But for now, enjoy your fully fueled computer that's ready to fly like a jet engine. Happy computing!